Good morning, students. Today we will study about HCF, that is highest common factor, or it is also known by the name GCD, that is greatest common divisor. Understand? So HCF, to find HCF, it is very simple and in the almost same way the way we are finding the common factors. For example, take 10 and 14. So what we have to do on finding common factor, what we have to do? We have to find first the factor of 10 and then 14. So log, do it. 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. Understand? 1, 2, 7 and 14 and 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Now what we have to see? We have to see which are the common factors. So 2 and 1 are the common factors. So common factor are 1 and 2. Understand? Now all these are the common factors method. Now what we have to find? We have to find HCF in this case. HCF in this case. So HCF will be the highest common factor. Highest common factor. Among common factor, the highest one will be known as HCF. So which is the highest one? Between 1 and 2, because common factor are 1 and 2. So which is the highest one? The largest one is, highest one is 2. So HCF will be 2. Understand? HCF will be 2. Understand? So not, let us take one more example. 24. So in 24, how many we have to do factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 12 and 24. Understand? And 42, let us take one more number, 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, then 7, then 21 and 42. Understand? So these are the factors of 24 and 42. Now what we have to do? We have to find common factors. So what are common factors? 1, 2 we have, then 3 also we have, then 6 we have, then nothing common. Understand? So 1, 2, 3, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 6. Understand? 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors. And now what we have to find? We have to find HCF. We have to find HCF. So HCF will be what? Among common factors, which is the largest one? We are seeing that the largest one is 6. The largest one is 6. Among common factors, the largest factor is 6. So HCF will be 6. HCF will be 6. Understand? So this is the method which you have used in exercise 4.3, that is to find common factor. So by the same way, we will first find the common factors of two numbers, and then among the common factors, the largest one will be the HCF. Understand? So one more method we will have. One more method, that is by prime factorization method. We can also find by that. For example, 48. 2 2 the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 6 the 12, 2 3 the 6, 3 1 the 3, and 84. Now see, 2 4 the 8, 2 2 the 4, 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 3 7 the 21, 7 1 the 7. Now what we have? 48 factors we will write first. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then 84 factors we will write. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Understand? Now what we have written? We have written the factors of 48 and 84. Now what we have to do? We have to find HCF. So what is HCF? The common value. That is 2, 2. Again we will have 2 and 2. Now what we will have? We will have 3. Understand? So we will write 2 into 2 into 3. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So HCF will be 12. Understand? HCF will be 12. So this is method known as prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, what happens? We have used we have find the first. By prime factorization we have solved. Now what we have? We have factors in prime numbers. Then what we will see? We will see that the common value, those common value which have in both the 48 and 84 we will write here, and what happens? We will multiply those values and we will get the HCF. These are the two methods by which we can find HCF. Understand? So now I think it is very clear. Now what we have to do? We have to find LCM. Understand? LCM. LCM is also very important. So HCF and LCM is very important for you all. Understand? LCM is lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple is known as LCM. Lowest common multiple is known as LCM. Understand? What we have to do? We have to find the LCM. For example, we have to find the LCM of 12, 16 and 18. We have to find the LCM of these numbers 12, 16 and 18. So what we are doing in HCF, we are finding one each factors separately. Understand? In doing HCF, what we have to do? We have to find the factors of each separately. But in LCM, what we have to do? We have to take all three. Understand? To find the factors 12, 16 and 18. We will take all together. And what we will do? We will try to divide it by those numbers by which all three numbers are completely divisible first. Understand? All three numbers are completely divisible. 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16 and 2 9 is 18. Again we will try with 2. Understand? Again we will try with 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8 and 9. Why? Because 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will write it like this only. Understand? Now 4, we know it is divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4, 9. Now here what happens? 3 and 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will write it like this only. Understand? So now again by 2, 3, 1 and 9. Now what happens? The work of 2 is now completed. Now we have 3, 9 and 1. So which number we will use? 3. 3 1 is 3, 1, 3 is 9. Again by 3, 1, 1 and 1. What happens? At last we will have 1, 1, 1. Understand? Then we will say that the work of doing prime factorization of the number is now completed. Then we will say. Understand? So what happens? In LCM, what we will do? Now we will write the factors. Of each factor we will write here. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2. Then 3 into 3. Then 3 into 3. Understand? Now this. Now what we have to do in LCM? Just we have to multiply and write the answer. So here 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48 and 48 into 3 we have to do. 3 8 is 24, 4 is 12 plus 2, 144. So 144 is the LCM. Understand? 144 will be your LCM. So this is the way of finding LCM. Understand? Both are different method. How to find HCF is a different method, and how to find LCM is a different method. Understand? We will take one more example. Understand? We will take one more example so that it will be more clear to you. Understand? Now let us take 30, 60 and 90. 30, 60 and 90. What we have to do? We have to find the common, we have to find the LCM of 30, 60 and 90. So we will try 30, 60, 90. We will try with 2 first. Understand? We will try with 2 first, then after that 2 we will take 3, then another number. Understand? So 2, 15 the 30, 2 30 the 60, 2 45 the 90. Understand? If you don't know what you have to do, you have to divide, and then you will write 90 divided by 2. 2 4s are 8, 1 0, 2 5s are 10. Understand? Understand? This does not comes automatically. How do we will get the value here? By dividing. What number is written here? What we have to do? We have to divide the given value by that number. We will have the result. Understand? जो यहाँ पे वैल्यू लिखी होती हैं, अगर आपको नहीं मालूम है किससे डिवाइड हो रही हैं, तो उसे हम क्या करेंगे? हम उसको यहाँ पे जिससे फैक्टर करना चाह रहे हैं उससे डिवाइड कर देंगे. जो आंसर आएगा वही क्या है यहाँ पे लिख दिया जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? So by this we have to do 2 again, 2, then 15 to the 30, you know that, 45. Understand? Now what happens? Now we are seeing that here is no even number at the unit digit. So what happens? Now what we will do? We will try with some other number. Why? Because it will not be divided by 2. Understand? So we will try with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, and 3 15s are 45. Understand? Now again with 3 we can try. 3 5s are 15. What we have done? 5 and 5 both are not divisible by 3, so we have written as it is. Understand? As it is. But 3 5s are 15, it will be divisible by 5. 3, so we have divided it. Now by 5, 1, 1 and 1. Understand? So now what we will do? We will multiply it. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 into 5 we have to do. 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 15, plus 3 80. So 180 will be the LCM. 180 will be the LCM. Understand? So this is how we have to find LCM. This is the method of finding LCM. Understand? So you have learned 2 methods. First is to find HCF and second is to find LCM. Understand? Now let us take few questions. Understand? To find HCF of 45, 36. Understand? To find HCF of 45 and 36. So we know that to find HCF we will have 2 methods. So now we will try both the methods. First 45 HCF. So 1, then we will have 3, then 5, then 9, then which number will be the factor of 45? 15, then 45 itself. Understand? Now what? Now we will see 36, 1, 2, then 3. After 12 we will have 18, then almost 36 we will have. So these are the factors of 45 and 36. Now what we have to do, we have to find the common factor. So common factor are 1, then we do not have 2, then we will have 3, so we will write here 3, then what, 5 we don't have, then 9 we will have 9, so we will write 9, then no other factors we will have. So common factors will be 1, 3 and 9. So what will be the HCF? HCF will be 9 because 9 is the largest factor in common factors. 9 is the largest factor in common factors, so HCF will be 9. Understand? Now let us try with the prime factorization method. What we have to do? We have to find the 45 factor of 45 first. Understand? This is alternative method that I have already explained. What happened? We will try with 3, 15, then 3 5s are 15, then 5 1s are 5. Now with 36 we will try, then 2 18 are 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are, then 45 we will write 3 into 3 into 5, then 36 we will write factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Understand? Now what we will see? We will see the common factor. Understand? So common factors are 3. So we will write 3, then again 3, then again 3. Understand? Then again 3 we will write. So these are the factors. Understand? And now what we will do? These are the factors which is common in 45 and 36. We will multiply it. So these are 9. So HCF will be 9. Understand? By both the method, we will see that answer is same. Understand? So it is now up to you which method you will opt. Understand? If you like this method to find common factor first, then among common factors we will find the largest factor, or by this method, this is the prime factorization method. By this method, if you think it is easier for you, you will try by this method. Understand? Now we will find LCM. Understand? LCM of 45 and 36. Understand? Now we will find LCM. Understand? To find LCM of 45 and 36. So what happens? To find LCM, we will write both number in a same, understand, column. Then we will try to find HCF. Understand? What we will do? We will try with 2 because 36 we know it is divisible by 2 and 45 is not divisible, so we will write it like this only. Then 2 18 ja, then again by 2, 45 is not divisible, so we will write 45 like this only. 2 9s are 18. Then now what happens? We don't have even number at the unit digit, so now we know that it is not divisible by 2. So which number? We will try with 3 number. Understand? 3 15s are 3 3s are, then 3 5s are 3 1s are, then by 5 5 1s are 1 1. Now we will have the number. What we will do? We will write it 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Understand? And we will now multiply. We will write all the factors in multiply, and then we will do multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 to the 36, 36 into 5, we will have 180. Understand? LCM will be 180. Understand? So what we have seen? We have seen that the HCF of 45 and 36 is HCF of 45 and 36, which we have found earlier, is 9, and LCM is how much? 180. Understand? LCM is 180 and HCF is 9 of 45 and 36. Understand? So these are the two methods of finding HCF and LCM. I had made it very clearly. Understand? So now what you have to do? You have to learn these two methods. Understand? Try to do as much question as you can by taking the examples. Understand? Find HCF and LCM. Understand? And then what you have to do, you have to see some questions from example. Tomorrow I will take some examples to explain here. Understand? So first what you have to do, you have to try as much question as you can from HCF and from LCM. Understand? Take some examples from your side also. You can take from your side also in your rough copy. Understand? Consider some numbers and try to find HCF and LCM. Understand? It will give you more practice to find the number, to find the HCF and LCM. Understand? So tomorrow we will see some questions from examples. Now today you will try this first. Okay, thank you.